Hey everyone, Millionaire Advice here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about some of the top investments to keep an eye out for in 2023. Also check the description of this video for wealth music and forex signals. First on our list is cryptocurrency. In recent years, cryptocurrency has become more mainstream, and we expect it to continue to grow in popularity in 2023. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins are expected to continue to rise in value, so investing in them could be a smart move. Another investment to consider is real estate. The housing market has been on the rise, and we expect this trend to continue into 2023. Investing in real estate can provide a steady source of income through rental properties or appreciation in value over time. Next up is renewable energy. As the world becomes more conscious of the effects of climate change, there is a growing demand for renewable energy sources. Investing in companies that produce solar, wind, or hydroelectric power could be a profitable move in 2023. Healthcare is another sector to keep an eye on in 2023. With an aging population, there is an increasing demand for healthcare services and products. Investing in pharmaceutical companies or healthcare providers could be a wise choice. Lastly, we have technology. The tech industry is constantly evolving, and we expect to see some exciting new developments in 2023. Investing in tech companies that are developing cutting-edge products or services could lead to significant returns. Now, it's important to note that investing always comes with some level of risk. It's important to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. In addition, it's important to have a diversified investment portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket by investing in just one industry or asset class. Spread your investments across different sectors to minimize your risk.